Hi, how are you doing today? This is Professor Ramakrishna and welcome to my YouTube channel Archiversity. To this channel and with my website archiversity.com, I share my knowledge in finance and accounting with the students like you across the world. In addition to this, I also offer courses on Udemy so that the students will not be scouting here and there to search the videos. So all the videos are compiled pertaining to one particular topic. Like say for example, this course of financial accounting. So all the videos of financial accounting is placed at one place and offered as a course from Udemy. And Udemy also certifies you. So one way is identifying the videos or links from YouTube you can watch, or if you want to have a series that is a continuity in all the lectures, then you can opt for a course in Udemy also. So in Udemy you can search me for Ramakrishna Elementary and you will get, right? So with this brief boasting about myself, I'll now explain about the differences between cash and accrual basis with the help of an activity. In my previous lecture, I differentiated and explained the importance of accounting methods, that is a cash basis and accrual basis. In this lecture, with the help of an activity, I'll explain you how to identify the transactions under different accounting and how to treat them into your accounts. So here are the guiding principles or rules related to two different accounting methods. One is the cash basis, second one is the accrual. So in cash basis, revenue is recognized when it is received and expenses are also recorded when they are paid. On the other hand, in case of accrual basis, records revenue when it is earned, irrespective whether the cash is received or not. Expenses are recorded when they are incurred, irrespective of received or not. So using these guiding principles, we'll see how each transaction is treated in different accounts. So take for example, Cleantech purchases a land. So it purchasing a land for a new location and pays cash of $40,000. So you have a cash basis of accounting and accrual basis of accounting. As a cash is paid, so here in cash basis of accounting also we record this 40,000. In accrual also we record this 40,000 because this expenditure is incurred here and here it is a paid. In both the cases we record this transaction. Next, Cleantech buys supplies on account. When we say that on account, it is on the basis of a credit, agreeing to pay $3,700 within 30 days. So if your accounting method is a cash, no record is made because no cash is paid. However, in case of accrual basis, we record this, that is a $3,700 is recorded as payable. That means this amount you have to pay in future date, that is in a next 30 days. So this is the difference between a cash basis and accrual basis. So as no cash is paid, so accounting method of a cash basis will not recognize this, accrual recognize this. Now coming to next, Cleantech earns $7,000 of a service revenue by providing services for customers. The business collects the cash. So as this collects the cash, in cash and accrual, in both we record this $7,000 and $7,000. So this is the cash received and here revenue is earned. So in both the cases we record this. Now Cleantech cleans a fleet of UPS delivery trucks and UPS promises to pay, that is company, $3,000 within a 1 month. So if it is a cash, there is a no record, so it is not entered into a cash. However, in case of accrual accounting, if you are following an accrual accounting, then we'll enter this and show this as an amount earned and record it as a receivables. So that means we are supposed to receive, or we are going to receive this amount in a 1 month. Next, Cleantech pays $2,700 for the following expenses: rent, employee salaries, and utilities. So as these all are paid in the form of a cash, so both the accrual accounting as well as a cash accounting or cash basis of accounting recognizes these transactions. All these three payments are recognized. Next is that Cleantech pays $1,900 on account, which means to pay off on account payable. So as this is amount is paid, so cash also we record, and in accrual also we will record. But here what is that we do is, as this is an account payable, earlier let us say we generated this account payable of $1,900. Now this will become a zero, in the sense that is $0. We paid this now. Alright, so this is how the differences between accrual and cash basis. The major issue comes with the accrual basis is related to the matching concept and revenue recognition. Let us say, for example, you paid a rental advance for let us say for 15 months and $15,000 is paid. Now according to your cash basis of accounting, so all the $15,000 is shown in the current accounting year only. However, of this, 3 months rent belongs to the next accounting year. So in accrual basis, what is that we do is we recognize or we consider the expenditure which is incurred for this financial year or accounting year. That is $12,000 is for this current accounting year, and the remaining 3,000 we show as an asset, and this amount is adjusted in a next accounting year. So similarly, many transactions which happens mostly on a credit basis, whether it's a credit purchase, credit sale, or where you have to pay your dues, or these all are treated differently in case of a cash and accrual basis. So as we are preparing, or we are aiming to prepare accounts for registered companies or large scale organizations, and as accrual basis is going to be a basic criteria, you should be able to understand that whether this particular revenue, that is a income or your expense, pertaining to current financial year or not. So if it is related to current financial year, we consider; otherwise we treat this as an asset or a liability which is to be received or to be paid. So this is a core idea of a cash versus accrual basis, and I guess you got some understanding on the differences between cash and accrual basis, and when a record is to be made in cash and accrual basis. So in future, when you are preparing your journal entries, or when you are preparing your ledgers or preparing your financial statements, you have to keep in mind that we are preparing accounts based on accrual basis, and the treatment of a revenue and expenditure should be accordingly. That is, revenue need to be recorded when it is earned, irrespective of cash is received or not. On the other side, when expenses are made, are incurred, you have to record them irrespective of it is paid, that is, the cash is paid or amount to be payable. Thank you for watching my lecture. Keep watching and enhance your knowledge in financial accounting, which will be helpful and which will help you in advance in your career or fetch a job for you. Have a great time.